Okay, so the gun is live. We have a pellet in the chamber. Let's just see what kind of damage that does to the ice. My god, it ejected ice everywhere. But that's a decent crater. Let's see here. Whoa. That's deeper than I would have thought. Yikes. Also for fun, I was wondering how much of ejects water out. So, quite a bit. You can see the pellet down there. After dipping my hands in absolutely freezing water for a bit, let's see if we can see any of the markings from the rifling. Oh yeah, you can see it right on the bottom of the skirt. See where it's gotten bit by the steel. Up. Oh, there it goes. The conclusion is Canadian pellet rifles are not toys.